In order to give a different look to the overall feel of the overall design, you can use something called themes. So in order to do that, I'm going to go into the design tab right here. And over here, you can see that there are many different colors that I can choose from. And as I hover over, you can see that the theme of the overall design actually changes just like that. So I can go over here, I can expand to see different set of themes right here. So I can go over here, select this outline type of theme, this old type of a 2D theme, and hand-drawn type of a theme right there. So if I were to click this, you can see that this is quite interesting right there. You can see that everything looks hand-drawn right here. I can also go over here now. So once I select the theme, I can go over here into variants of the theme right here. So I can choose different colors for the theme just like that. So I can go for this colored look or this colored look just like that. So I can go into gemstones color, and I can also go for a filled look right here. So if I were to click it, it seems as if it is hand-drawn, but it has a sort of color to it just like that as well. So there's also effects that you can add in. So you can see that there's sequence effect, there's smoke effect right there. So there are different effects that you can apply as well. There's also connectors that you can work with. So there are different types of connectors like street connectors, whiteboard connectors, and so forth, or pen connectors right here. So I'm going to go over here and choose pen connectors because I'm giving it a hand-drawn theme right here. Just likewise, you can also choose the background of your choice to give it a different look as you saw in previous lessons. So choose a background as well. So there's a different theme to it just like that. So that is how you can use themes inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.